Your cigarette, Jeremy.
Hi, Penny.
Hi, Penny.
Woohoo!
It snowed here.
Presents.
It snowed here.
Your cigarettes, man.
Let's see here.
What do you do with it?
Yay for presents! I've been about to die of waiting for them to get here so we can do this. Let's see.
Maybe if you had called us, we would have been here.
Nope, it was like this when I got it out of the box. Jamie. Aww. Oh, isn't that cute?
Thank you, Penny.
That's so cute. That was it.
That's not even funny.
That's funny.
Hi.
Uh-oh. I think his batteries are down.
Scrape dust and blue paper.
Get some more batteries for him and redo him. Okay.
Hi.
I think he's cute.
Yay! Justin got some toilet paper!
Now you got something to watch your butt on. You don't have to keep using that leaf.
What we got here?
The new bathroom essentials. Poopery. That is too cute.
That's funny. Poopery.
Poopery. Okay, I'll turn it. Dadgummit. There we go. There you go.
Where's my toilet paper?
Jeremy.
Here.
Can I come over here?
Go ahead.
Where's my toilet paper? Not very much.
Hey, it's got a built-in can opener. What is it?
It's cheese.
What?
Listen, wait.
What is it?
Thank you.
Beer bread.
It's beer bread. It's beer bread mix.
What do you do? Take beer with it? Yeah, it's not
No.
good.
You mix it up and make it's cheese beer bread. You mix it up and you make bread out of it.
Oh, well, it's not beer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, where you
Thank
going?
you.
Where you going with it? I want to make beer bread right now. Oh, that smells good.
His little arms are supposed to move.
Yeah, he's supposed to down. I think his batteries are low.
Give me a screwdriver. Give me a screwdriver.
Let's see here. Dancing sugar plums. I want visions of dancing sugar plums. Dancing sugar plums? There we go. I want visions of... My present smells like Justin's present. I want visions of dancing chocolate. Happy holidays. Yum. Chocolate.
Dancing sugar plum sounds like strippers.
Brussels Stover chocolate. Yummy. Let's see here. Yummy. Now I'm gonna get it back in the box. And then, look at that. Isn't that just too cute? Isn't it just too freaking cute? It's a little stocking.
Stocking.
It's a little boot stocking. Isn't it just adorable? Okay, and I'm confused on this one. Is Penny, is this for Damon? Is it for Damon or Caleb? I'm thinking Damon,
that
but
jumps on the bed.
you want to jump on the bed? But they both jump on the bed.
Yeah, but she wasn't on there when Caleb was here.
Okay, then it's for Damon. What? Okay. Oh, isn't that so cute? Look at that. This is Melinda and family. Yep, you caught me out of Christmas cards, but I still want to wish y'all a very merry, safe, fun-filled, peaceful Christmas. I'll let you sort out who gets what. Peace, Penny, and kiddos. Thanks, Penny.
Give me a cigarette.
Could you wait till the video's over? Thanks, Penny. Thanks, Gideon. Thanks,
you, guys.
Megan.
Thank you.
Mwah. Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas. What?
Bye.